had one, Bob.
From the St. Louis Emergency Management Agency. The St. Louis checkpoint, which was established by the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Anomalous, Paranormal, and Occult Affairs, has been breached by anomalous life forms. These life forms are humanoid, ranging from 5 to 7 feet tall, with severely distorted or extra facial features and limbs. These life forms are considered extremely hostile towards humans. As a result, all residents within St. Louis need to shelter in place at this time. Close and lock all windows and doors, and remain away from any openings to the outside. Should any of these life forms enter your home, use any force necessary to defend yourself. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
Get to your Toyota dealer for amazing values on a